First, you need to check a broken link in your website. I recently checked your subdomain website, and this website has two broken link. To fix this, click on source, and you will get the link of what you need to change. So that's how you can fix your broken link. After you fix that, and check your theme performance and SEO on page, website, incept, and GT metrics. And if that performance is good level, GT makes rate on A, that means your theme is good. And if this criteria fill up fix in your website, first main thing is your broken link must be fixed, and you don't don't have any broken link in your website. And in your website you must have contact us, about us page, and you are using free themes, and AdSense doesn't allow free themes. You have to buy or get any premium themes. Correct? You can get premium themes from me. In folder, if any URL redirect to other website like this wiki templates, it will not accept for AdSense. You have to like this, made with love, and remove this link or with premium theme. And I recently checked that your about space doesn't have any article, and you have to write minimum 1000 article on this article. I means what on about a space. You have to tell more about your website, and you have to add contact us space. You don't here you just give your email, and privacy policy, and terms and condition. And you have to maintain something that you have to get 100% approved. You need 5 category, and you have 5 category like this, and you have some SEO friendly. Let me check that you have low value content or other things. Sorry. Here your always check your plagiarism, and if your plagiarism under 80 or 70, you have to increase that. Let me check your article first. Motorcycle. Wait a minute. And I think you just copy paste in your article. You have to write SEO friendly, and all the article is might be yours, not any plagiarism. You have to 5 unique and plagiarism, all the things. I think you just copy paste your article. If you copy any article, you have to spin that and make it rewrite. You can use ChatGPT or Spainbot to make it 100% unique. You can see that your plagiarism checking, and the plagiarism is 35 and unique 7%. That means 35% is already matched with other content. To if you copy any article, you have to spin it or rewrite like this, and simply I just copy your article. First copy that article and spin here on basic spin, and now you can see that this article spend and give us a new article that doesn't match to another, but the thing is same. And you can also with ChatGPT like this. After you paste it here, come on this paste or rewrite this article like this. Now ChatGPT will rewrite this, and you can post this in your website. Let me show you how it works. It's saying that you just copy from this MCK gaming, and you already upload that on other website in your website. In this, that's why you don't get AdSense approved. You have to rewrite or spin it like this. And if we now check this plagiarism like this, our article will be 100% unique. Let's see. Stairs. Our plagiarism is scanning. Now you can see that our article is unique to other, and if we post this article on our website, we will get 100% approved. You don't just copy and paste, and you will not get as approved. And you have to 5 to 7 category, different category, not one or things. And you have about us and contact space. Write more word in about us space, and change theme, or and you can see that our article is now 100% unique. That's how we can pin your article and get unique from other, and post this article in your website, and that's how you can get 100% approved. And this is my guarantee. You have to fix your broken link, and website performance will be 100 SEO of 100%, and performance will be 80 or 80. That's good. You have to increase SEO. Here you will get all the error and everything. You have to fix that, and this is the tricks, and you can use to get 100% approved. And now to get AdSense approved in your website, you have to post I can post 10 to 20 article. It's a friendly article. If you just copy any article, just pin on it here or with pen bot, and just copy and now post in your website, and that's how you can get 100% approved. If you have been curious about it or didn't understand our method, let me ask in WhatsApp. So thanks for passing our method, and if you want any help, let me know.